Hi everybody, welcome to Arm Candy. So today we've got for you another beautiful Mulberry, and this is the Mulberry Antony. So this Mulberry Antony has an adjustable strap on top, and I'll show you that how we adjust that in a sec. It's got that iconic Mulberry postman's lock on it with this flap closure. I'll just open it up and show you the inside. So we've got on the front one slip pocket there, and then we've just got one main compartment in there as well. And then of course we've got that Mulberry tag there with the mulberry tree on it. Underneath we've got the serial number on there as well. So this is a beautiful bag. If you love bags as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe so you can get an alert every time we bring out a new video and a new bag. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good. As you can see, it's losing just a bit of its structure, but it's not really got many marks for me to show you on it. It's got a bit of creasing at the bottom here, but the corners are all still in pretty good condition. For the hardware, we've called that fair. It still looks pretty good, but it has got some scratching on it, and I'll just show you on this lock here. It has got a bit of discoloration just around there. And interior, again, we've called fair, just because we've got some marking on there under the Mulberry tag with the badge on there. You've just got, you can see it's just marked there and on here as well. But the thing I really like about Mulberry is even when it ages, it kind of gives it character as it ages, so it still looks great. This bag is coming with the Mulberry dust bag to keep it protected, and we've also got this generic bag liner for the inside to keep it protected as well. So for the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below. If it takes you directly to this bag, that's great, it means it's still available. If it doesn't, that means, and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean that it is unfortunately sold out. But if you really love this bag, pop us over an email and let us know that you love it, and we can get you on our request list, which just means that you'll get an alert every time we have a new bag in store like this one, and that applies to any bag that you fancy as well. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, on the page for this bag, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and 5'4", so you can see with this adjustable strap you can have it as a shoulder bag like that, or I quite like it as a crossbody, so if you just adjust it like that, make it a bit longer, and then you can have it over as a crossbody as well. So it's a perfect little messenger bag. It's such a practical little shape and structure to fit everything you need in it. So for more details on the bag, go to our website. You'll also find so many more bags on our website, and if you scroll to the bottom of any page, you'll find a sign up to our newsletter option where you can pop your email in. And if you pop your email in there, we'll send you over your welcome discount, so hopefully that should go straight to your email. If it doesn't, don't forget to check your spam or your junk folder, because it might have gone in there. But don't forget to get your discount before you make a purchase on your first bag. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Arm Candy, go onto there and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you. So we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.